Michi's so fat.
It's hard to believe he was that small once.
I know.
It's extremely hard to believe that. You should eat more of that then.
I know, right? He's so cute. Even the smallest, simplest things he does are adorable. And you are my birthday present 2011. Because I love cats. And you are one of the damnedest, cutest cats I've ever seen.
So we're documenting it right now on camera that it's Misi or Miso?
Yeah.
Miso?
Miso.
Miso?
Like Japanese soup.
Domo, Michi, Miso.
Mm-hmm.
Deal. Congratulations, my friend, you have a name.
We need to get his collar and stuff. I was looking at him today. I want him to have the Blue Universe one. Wee baby. Michi, you are large.
He's too sexy for his fat. Too sexy for his fat. Oh.
That right there is my favorite thing. His little dot. And then little Miso. Little Miso has, if I can find it, his little dot right there on his foot. So you guys match. You're destined to be brothers.
Nice down there. What?
I kind of like it because it's their names together, you know?
Yeah, I agree.
The only thing original about him is he has an S in it. Like
But it kind of makes a complete triangle. Because we can't add anything else, you know?
Yeah. Baby. Tiny, tiny kitten. Best birthday present ever. Love.